Hi, I'm Sandy Wiesenthal, and I'm an independent travel consultant with longtime clients mostly in the entertainment industry. I suggest and plan trips to all parts of the world. Before I became a travel agent in 1988, I worked as a personal assistant for Burt Lancaster. I think his sense of organization and demand for excellence helped prepare me for this career, and for accomplishments like winning Virtuoso's 2016 award for Most Innovative Advisor. When it comes to a wow experience, one I think of is the client who wanted to propose to his girlfriend in a very romantic, traditional way. So I put together a tour of Versailles. Then I arranged to have the proposal filmed without the bride knowing it. To coordinate all the working parts with the precision we needed, it was very important to have a good relationship with the hotel. I needed to make sure they were able to work closely with me in keeping the plans a secret from the bride-to-be. It was really exciting to plan. They were very helpful and even helped me arrange a horse and carriage ride after the proposal. Afterward, the couple told me the experience was amazing and magical. In this business, it's all about building relationships and making travel very personal. Based on the Versailles trip, this couple had me book an amazing honeymoon, and they've come back for many more special trips since then. I think I'm successful because of my ability to identify with people. I'm not just an order taker. I get personally involved in making wow.